Hi, I'm Mike, and this is the Balloon Channel. Today we're going to make a balloon dog. Right, so we're going to make our balloon dog. What you'll need is your 260. I've chosen red. We're going to take your balloon pump and we're going to blow it up with 3 pumps. 1, 2, 3. Once that, let a bit of air out, and we're going to tie it off. And then we're going to measure 3 fingers to make a 3-finger bubble. As you see, it's the length of 3 fingers. And we're going to do another 3-finger bubble. And we're going to fold it over so we have like this. And then we're going to grab the top bit and twist all together. And there we have our head. Once again, we're going to do another 3-finger bubble. And once another one. 3 fingers again. And just like the ears before, we have it both together. We grab and twist all together. Now we're going to go for a 4 fingers bubble. Another 3. And once again, grab all together and twist. Okay. So, as you see here, we're going to make the little tail end. So we're going to squeeze and stretch out the end. You're going to take your hand, grab the middle, and with this bottom section, we're going to squeeze and out it pops. And then we just stretch it out a little bit so it stays top. Fix it, and there we have our balloon dog. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment below, and click here for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe for more Balloon Channel content.